Hey, hi, good morning. A couple of quick things to clarify some questions that I've gotten from Mr. Carlson's video. So, first of all, you should have a new tab in your OneNote called Paper Helicopters, and there's two sheets. There's the lab sheet. This is where you're going to record your data. So the question that we're asking, how can we make the paper helicopter fall as slow as possible? You are going to do 3 trials for your original, 3 trials for the first variable that you change, and then 3 more trials for the second variable that you change. You're going to keep track of the average time, and then you're going to figure out average speed. So you need to drop it from the same height, would probably be my recommendation. Make your math easier. So the other thing is the template. I don't have a printer. Well, I have a printer. I don't have any paper for that printer. And so what I'm doing, I'm using a bill. Don't look at my stuff. I already paid it. It's okay. And so I've already marked, like, this is 2 inches, which is the same as what's on your screen. And then it needs to be 6 inches long. 3 inches is halfway. I've got a Ladybug Girl book. And so I'm going to use that as my straight edge. And I've got a Sharpie and outline. Okay, I'm going to pause this and make my helicopter and keep going. Hold on. Okay, so I made my template out of my Chase bill. I still need to cut out these little parts for the body. So use scissors carefully. Don't cut yourself. Ready? Okay. So then what you do is I cut 2 pieces of paper at once. You fold one wing this way, you fold the other wing this way. Paper helicopter. What does help is if you have some weight on this. I would recommend like a paper clip, if you can find a paper clip. I have a red hair bow. That might be too heavy. I have a bobby pin. So then I would just use like my doorway height, because I think doorways, normal one, like 7 feet. I don't know, but you can measure the height of your door, figure it out. You'll need a timer to calculate how slowly it falls. So go to my timer. And then I'm gonna hold it up here. 3, 2, 1. 2 seconds. So that is how you're going to be doing this. And then, yes, you will post your videos on Flipgrid. Welcome to Freemeyer's High Tech class today. Bye, guys.